are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
Alright, y'all, it's your girl Official Keela back again with another video, and this time we are doing a cleanup video. Clearly, as y'all can see, I made a hell of a mess doing some hair, and now it's time to clean that shit up. So yeah, plus I don't want my man to come home and see all the goddamn hair all over the floor, and then he gonna get to yelling at me, babe, why all this stuff all over the floor? My bad. Nah, I just playing though. I definitely had to clean it up because one thing I don't like is hair all over the place. Like, that's my biggest pet peeve. Like, I hate hair being everywhere. So I cleaned it up and I put away all the little supplies that I used into their respective little spaces. And then I sprayed Lysol on my couch just in case any got to be glue or any wax stick or any product that I was using. I basically sprayed my couch so that the product is no longer there. I sprayed my couch with Lysol disinfectant spray. You know, gotta get the little germs up out of there. And then I wiped it down just to make sure that it was nothing on the couch. And that's all. Thank y'all for watching.